Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Dauna and this is my art channel. Today I will be working on a 60 by 80 centimeter canvas with a sea green beautiful base that I mixed myself with titanium white and phthalo green and a flower in the middle. This is a commissioned piece and it's very special for my client. So let's get started. Okay, so I mixed a bunch of this sea green color. So I'm gonna cover the canvas first with that. And today I will be pouring a puddle, and then in the middle, around the puddle, I will be using white to create more defined petals of the bloom. Spread it a bit more, and I always think it's more challenging to do a spin out on a rectangle canvas. In my experience, it doesn't go right the first time most of the time. Okay, who knows this time. I still love this base color. It's so fresh. It's just beautiful. Okay, so I will start with a phthalo green. On top of that, I will pour an ultramarine blue. And on top of this, a red violet. And that dries more to the red side. And I love that. And as well, it could create some more violet with the blue here. And then on top of that, I will pour gold, and around this I will be pouring white. So I do have quite a lot of the base color here, so that's why the the white is sinking in a bit, but that's okay. Let's put this all around there. And torch it first, and then I'm gonna start blowing this up. And I really hope it's gonna turn out like the panels, the round panels that I did. Those are amazing. Okay, let's blow this out. Okay, so that's looking beautiful. I blew quite fast, didn't I? So here we have some violet and this phthalo green that dries so beautiful in my opinion. Okay, I will torch the middle a little bit here, and then I'm gonna start spinning it. It's cool. Okay, let's go for a spin. I'm really spinning gently here. Yeah, no, I do want it spinned out just a little bit more. It's turning out to be cool. I'm doubting if I want this petal to go over the edge. What would the composition be? Because I love that it flows there over the edges, so it would be nice for the harmony and the composition I guess if this one goes just slightly over the edge as well. It's almost there. Yeah, there it goes. Honestly, I think this one is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, one more time and then I'm done, and I don't even think I wanna tweak on this one. I think the light spin here really did the trick to keep the edges nice and clean. Yes. Well, I'm super happy about this one. I sure hope my client is as well. I'm gonna cover the sides, make them neat, and I will bring you up for a close up.